Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mobile gaming videos. Today I'm checking out something that's been getting a lot of attention online. People are saying there's a simple way to get extra cash and coins in Township without using a PC, downloading any apps, or rooting or jailbreaking your device. I decided to test it myself and record the entire process so you can see exactly what happened and decide whether it's worth it. Let's get started. The first thing I needed was my player ID from inside Township, so I opened the game and headed over to my profile. Once I found the player ID, I copied it, so I'd have it ready for the next step. It only took a couple of seconds and was really easy to do. With that done, I was ready to move on. After that, I opened my browser and visited the website that people had been recommending. The site supported a lot of different mobile games, so I searched for Township and opened its page. The layout was simple and easy to use. Everything looked organized, and I didn't run into any annoying pop-ups or confusing menus, so I continued with the test. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. This was the part I was most curious about. After finishing the process, I opened Township again and checked my account. The extra cash and coins were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game or wait a few minutes. Everything appeared right away. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast. Anyway, now you've seen the full test, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've tested anything similar before, drop a comment and let me know how it went for you. And if you enjoyed this kind of video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably test more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.